We gave him ice cream. Now he has a sugar high.
May you have auspiciousness and causes of success. May you have the confidence to always do your best. May you take no effort in your being generous, sharing what you can, nothing more, nothing less. May you know the meaning of the word happiness. May you always lead from the beating in your chest. May you be treated like an esteemed guest. May you get to rest, may you catch your breath. May the best of your todays be the worst of your tomorrows. Whoa. May the road less paved be the road that you follow. Oh. Well, here's to the hearts that you're gonna break. Here's to the lives that you're gonna change. Here's to the infinite possible ways to love you. I want you to have it. Here's to the good times we're gonna have. You don't need money, you got a free pass. Here's to the fact that I'll be sad without you.
大家好好的敷面膜，我等一下要去参加我一个朋友的婚礼，所以我现在正在敷点面膜。因为昨天晚上艾森不是起床了一下吗？我现在好丑啊！我想要把这个相机拿远一点，不想让你们看到我这么近。就是昨天艾森不是起床了一下吗？所以我昨天睡得超级不好。你看我的眼袋，现在就是还很清楚的眼袋。但是我发现我的眼膜用完了，所以我只能敷一个小面膜，所以希望我的皮肤等一下有点好转吧。给你们看，真的好恐怖的眼袋。但是我跟你们说，我现在很发愁的一件事情就是我不知道我穿什么。现在我刚化完妆，好看吗？你知道我真的很讨厌涂睫毛膏，但是我今天为了我朋友涂了一下睫毛膏。我给你们看一下我这件衣服，我觉得这件衣服有一点暴露，所以我想穿个西装，我觉得这样好像比较正式一点，但有一点性感。算了，我还是多试几件吧，因为正好我也无聊，想要试衣服。我以前买这件衣服的时候是我大学的时候，我现在其实胖了很多。我以前手臂这里完全没有肉的，你看，给你们看一下这一件。如果你们很久以前就关注我们的话，你们可能有看过我们那个结婚的视频。我们婚礼之后去酒店吃饭的那时候，我也穿了它跳舞，跟 Ryan 一起跳舞。前段时间不是说想要去找工作吗？所以我买了好多西装，我连那个吊牌都没有剪。这件西装好看吗？但是我发现我以前大学喜欢裙子的类型都是这种，就是紧身的那种。哇，这还是镂空的，我就没有那种穿出去可以跟家人聚会啊那种裙子，都是这种有点性感的，但是我不可能穿去人家婚礼吧。这件衣服也是新买的，然后买了一件最小的，我吊牌都还没剪呢。你看啊，为什么就是感觉穿出来这么松松垮垮，而且前面这里好像要掉下来了。你看我这件衣服完全穿不了内衣，只能贴乳贴，因为如果穿内衣的话，这里就会看到。我为什么要买这件衣服？不行啊，这件人家会觉得我在抢她的老公。我要穿这件去的话，这件是我大学毕业典礼那天穿的，我觉得好学生哦。这是我那么多衣服里面唯一一件很正常，然后又不会很骚的那种衣服。Oh my god， 为什么我买的裙子都好骚哦？真的有一点像那种学生。哦，对，我朋友是大学的同学哦，她是一个韩国的女生，然后她当时就已经跟她男朋友在一起好久了，她男朋友也是一个美国人，所以我们两个都是亚洲女生嘛，所以我就跟她会经常吐槽我们的男朋友。现在几点了 ？Oh my god， 我都不知道我试衣服试了多久哦，现在2点半，然后我现在把酸酸送去她妈妈家。我突然想到了一个问题。我去你家的婚礼是不是应该要包他的红包啊？我怎么突然间没有想到这个问题？就是我是不是要送他礼物 ？Oh my god！ 我居然什么都没有买，我是不是要去买个礼物给他？我找到了这个红包。哦，这里也有别的图案。我想说，如果我送他这个，他会不会打我？我送他这个好了。我准备到了婚礼的地方，我要去买一个星巴克，因为我刚才不是发现我没有给他准备礼物嘛，我就觉得在里面放钱也不太好，我就给他买了一个那个 gift card， 就是那种购物卡。我觉得这条裙子有点太像高中生了，所以我现在有点紧张，我怕人家觉得我扮嫩。 好，我现在继续开车了，拜拜。虽然有时候觉得结婚也没什么，但每次看到婚礼的时候，都会有点想哭。
Mommy.
What? Mommy?
Are you done eating? What are you doing? Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba ba ba.
Mommy.
Yay!
Wa 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 wa.
艾森学会了 beatbox。
Your turn. High five.
Yeah! Oh my god, that was so funny.
That's probably a more accurate sheep than me. They really go bah. Blah. Quack.
Oh. So funny.
Quack. Quack.
Oh, he's so sweet.
Oh, I want you to have it all you can imagine. Oh, no matter what your path is, if you believe it, then anything can happen. Go, 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 raise your glasses. Go, 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 you can have it all. I told you, here's to the hearts that you gonna break. Here's to the lives that you gonna change. Here's to the infinite possible ways to love you. I want you to have it. Here's to the good times we gonna have. You don't need money, you got a free pass. Here's to the fact that I'll be sad without you. I want you to have it all.
你在干嘛？
This is my favorite knife in the whole world. Ooh. Welcome to another iteration of Ryan and Tina's late night snack. Late night snack.
Yo.
Sometimes it's chips and cheese. Sometimes it's 包子和饺子. Tonight it is 面条 miso soup. Soup. Sure. So But welcome.
我问你们一个问题哦，请，我这里怎么长了一个很奇怪的东西？好像被我这么一说，大家肯定会盯着那里看了。好，我要来问你们一个问题。你们煮面条的话，会不会放洋葱？就是会不会切一些洋葱放进去一起煮？如果是的话就扣1，如果不放洋葱的话就扣2。因为我是不放洋葱的，但是 Ryan 特别喜欢在面条里面放洋葱。I'm telling them I don't put onions on my soup. I only put it on the dishes, but I don't put it on the soup.
I cut them very, very small so that you don't chew them, but you get some onion taste.
I don't like this onion taste.
不知道
Like boiled onion tastes so gross. It
No, it
tastes
doesn't.
worse than the raw
有
onions.
病啊！
你有病，我没有病，你有病，你不是中国人，我是中国人。你们知道我其实是会做饭的吗？只是我懒得做而已。为了证明我会做饭 ，OK。你看这个是什么 ？Carrie's Cafe Recipe Book。你们看，这个人是我。我记得拍这张照片的时候，我在发烧，然后我就懵懵懂懂说：“哎，今天要拍照片。”拍照片你不早说我要化妆什么的，结果我什么都没化，然后我发烧的时候我脸还浮肿，然后我整个人就是超级圆，我那天超级难过的。我大学不是学的是会计和酒店管理双学位吗？所以这是我酒店管理以前的课，然后这个课超级好玩的，就是你要学煮菜。This is my class. Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you to put onion in soup.
No. 这节课呢，就是你们的同学要开一间餐厅，而且是真的餐厅。然后就是我们每一个学期他都会开这家餐厅。我们这一届的学生要自己研究一些菜谱，然后放在那个 menu 上面，然后自己再慢慢练习这个菜谱。然后学了1个月之后，然后我们就开始开这家餐厅的门。然后有很多老师或同学都会来吃的，真的就是这些都是我们自己研究的菜谱。这里面的东西其实我还都会做。然后这就是我，知道我们当时这门课的期末考是什么吗？期末考就是用我们餐厅挣来的钱，然后去一家餐厅吃饭。然后当时我们那家餐厅就是在一个郊外超级美的一个地方，然后这节课超爽的，就是只要你来了就能得 A。大家来评价一下这个菜切的好不好？今天的夜宵呢，就是我们家独创的面条。我给这一道菜取了一个名字，叫做挑棉。
要钱你不知道，你不会说中文。
你不会说中文吧
？Garlic 和 stinky bamboo。
哦，这个竹笋，你加在面条里面真的超好吃的，有一股健康的螺蛳粉的味道。我这样像不像代言人 ？I feel like I'm sponsored this. Look at this. 而且你们一定要买这个牌子的，我不知道，反正就是一定要买这个牌子的，因为我买过差不多5、6个牌子，只有这个牌子是好吃的，就是其他的笋有一种那种就是跟你们说不上那个感觉，就是只有这个笋是不甜，就是不那么甜，然后有一点点辣，又不是很辣，然后就是非常爽口脆的那种好吃。我买过很多其他笋都是很软，然后你一咬下去有那种咬鼻涕的感觉。对，只有这个牌子的笋，大家一定要记住。对，上次不是跟你们介绍了我们家有这种味增汤吗？然后有不同的味道。Instead of miso soup, you can use this. Not sponsored, but yes.
Not sponsored, but yes.
非常的好吃。你们看我新做的指甲。对焦好吗？我上次做的指甲，其实我不是很满意，就是其实我还蛮喜欢这个白色的和这个粉色的，但是那个人就擅自的在我这2个之中涂了一条那个银色的那个亮晶晶的线，但是我还蛮生气的，因为他没有问我，他就涂上去了。因为你涂一个东西，就你不管涂什么，然后是一个新的东西，就要加3刀，所以我就想说他是不是在坑我的钱啊？他说他喜欢看这个面条自己掉下去就好呢。
这个是太热了 ，so 冷水
不尊重不尊重。
Cools it down faster so I can eat it you know, now instead of.
不尊重他这种人就是没有文化，你知道吗？面一定要热的才能吃，才是有文化，你知道我这种没有文化。
It's genius. Sometimes my genius is
You're uncultured. Are you gonna put some 老干妈
No.
Oh.
That'll ruin the feng shui of my soup.
有风水，有病。
我有病。
Oh, really 风水 If you blow it, it's 风 and have 水。
啊，
风水
啊！好。对啊。
Don't ever so stupid.
It is late at night. This is our late night snack.
Yeah.
At night, my brain do not work. And also in the morning and afternoon, my brain does not work.
你看他的我的，因为我比较喜欢吃面不喝汤，然后他喜欢喝汤，所以他会给他放多一点汤。
没有啦。
那你们说加这个笋之后真的超好吃。
Does mine taste better or yours?
I make it different. So I use the 鸡精 to make it, and he used the miso, so it's different. I like mine
Tastes
too.
so good.
I just don't like the onion. I don't know why.
You don't even like taste onion though. You just taste like a
Yes,
rich
I do.
flavor.
If I pan fry beef or something, I'll put onion.
Onions are really good in the soup. They're good in everything, even raw. On a hamburger, onions. Oh, it's gotta be thick, thick onion. Onion, garlic, mushroom is God's gift to man. I could literally just eat a meal of garlic, onion, mushroom. Like that could be my meal.
You know what I mean?
Okay, add some beef to that meal and oh.
我的口红 Did you see my lipsticks?
Ew.
Every day I'm eating a lot of poison. Lipstick poison.
Probably. But
Oh my
so
god,
bad.
it's so gross. Why did you just burp? It's so gross.
Sugar pea. Why?
Oh, he's so mean.
You have the same food.
But I'm out of bamboo. Ryan hates I touch his food.
If it's the same thing, speak to my lawyer. She's not in a good mood tonight. Look at her.
Because
You're so sad. Teen.
Because sometimes I just dirty. No.
Soup lip.
Hey, stop. 讨厌。
我讨厌你。
你讨厌我，那就离。
Hi.
不是嗨，离。
Miso is amazing. I need to learn how to make miso soup from scratch.
Do you remember last time you made 包子? You have to make everything.
Yeah.
You have to make the skin. You have to make the filling.
Yeah.
When we first got married, he was making 包子 at home.
I did it though. Kind of successfully. Probably half of my dumplings had soup in them still.
As a Chinese, I tell you, I give you 30%.
Bitch.
Why did you call me?
I worked so hard on those.
I can make American food.
Have you ever made those?
No, I didn't even want to try. Soup dumpling is so hard. You're always trying to make so many weird stuff. Like tteokbokki.
I made it. It was very good.
As an Asian, your tteokbokki was 20%.
We're done here. We're done. We're done. Li Huan? So Tina never drinks the broth, only just like the stuff in it. And the broth has the healthy nutrients of the boiled vegetables.
No.
So I'm making her finish the
The broth is to wash the noodle.
不行，她有病。
我不想。
我没有。
我不喝汤的。
Are you gonna drink the broth? Because if you don't, I will.
No. No!
It's so delicious. Drink it.
This is my baby.
She takes a crap on the food I make. I spent like 3 days making these soup dumplings and they did not taste bad. They tasted good. Like if you ate them, you'd have been like, oh, these are good. You wouldn't be like, oh, what is this? They were good. And look at her trashing me. Trashing the cook.
真的不好吃. And you make mooncake?
They were good.
Do you want me to rate it?
No, because you're terrible. Listen, I would rate my mooncakes with the salted duck egg 70%. 100% is like the good mooncake you buy from the store or your grandma makes. Like that's 100%. And I worked so hard and she was mad at me and left to go hang out with a friend. And so I'm making these by myself. You're so heartless. She has no heart. Mayo, this thing.
That's why I never cook because I don't want you to judge my cooking.
No, the last time she cooked was she attempted to cook pork belly, and you're supposed to just flavor the oil with the peppers, the really spicy pepper. Just flavor the oil, then take them out. She left them in, a lot of them. And so we ate this and our butts were ablaze, on fire. She cooks a really good pork rib because her mom... Did your mom teach you?
No, I teach myself.
That was really dumb. What is this?
Good.
Her mom makes the best food in the world, and I wish Tina would have paid attention when she was a kid. She was too busy texting boys and not wearing her hair up to school and causing trouble.
Fengju won't let me go into the kitchen because she thinks that I will mess up the kitchen.
And Crazy Pig is right. Let's redo that. And Fengju is right. Mama, 我爱你. 我爱你 more than Tian Tian.
What about Baba?
Your dad? Your dad cooks?
Oh my god, my dad cooks so bad.
Oh no.
He literally...
Like you.
No, he cooks so bad, and sometimes my mom will have things to do, and then my dad has to cook for me, and my dad would be like,
I'm cooking today. I cook really good.
So yeah, my dad would really do that. I don't know why.
He was like, yeah, I cook so good, trust me, and I cook better than your mom.
So I was like, oh yeah, cook it.
And then he orders McDonald's.
No, and then he cooked like terrible. Like he will burn all the vegetables.
Aww.
Like half of them, it's burned. It's burn to black. He bring all the dishes and he's like, look how good I cook. So you will taste the dishes, but the salty, it's uneven. I asked my dad, why don't you stir when you cook? And he said, there's a physics thing that, I don't remember what's that called. Like you put a drop in the water and then like it comes
Disperses.
evenly. He doesn't stir the dishes because he said, eventually this salt will go on every dishes. Like I'm like,
你需要 stir.
seriously, one meat it's so salty and one is like no flavor. That's my dad cooking, and he's like, I cook really good. He's so confident though.
That's so cute. He's like, I got this. Well, thanks for watching us eat food. Later.
Yeah, later. 剪刀石头布，剪刀石头布。
Ah, go clean.